Alright guys, so this is going to be part 2 of the Craftsman. I got the old pop tire here that doesn't hold any air. We're going to put a tube in that. But the main focus of this video is the deck. I'm going to take it apart and clean it. And I figured I'd do a video. I'm just showing how I'm going to do this. It's not necessarily the best way to do it, but it is the cheapest and fastest. Most fast, whatever. It's a 39 or 37 inch deck, and Craftsman is still running good. Got that back here all covered up. This will be a good project for the remainder of this Christmas week, and then next week I can work on whatever else it may be that I want to work on. So that's that, and we're gonna have to take. I'm going to take the spindles off. I don't know if I'm going to take these brackets off. I might. In fact, yeah, I think I will, as long as I put it back together and don't break any bolts. But I'll take a picture of this, several pictures, so I can make sure I know how to put it back together. So we'll start taking this apart, so stay tuned. Alright guys, several days later. It's the morning, early in the morning, and we got the mower deck all painted. I did not get one of these mandrels off because I broke one of the bolts here and I broke one of them here, so I decided not to take any chances because I don't want these being held on by 2 bolts. 3 is, to the limit enough. And it's not the best job, but it wasn't really supposed to be. It was just supposed to make it look a little more pretty. I did keep this sticker, the no step sticker, and the warning, there's shit shooting out of here sticker. So we'll put it back together and eventually put it on the tractor and see if it works. So stay tuned. We got all the parts here. We got the bagger. I think I cleaned up the bagger, so we could probably put that back on. So we'll get back together and see if she mows. Alright guys, so we got the deck all put back together. I hope I do got it right. I'm a little iffy on this engager pulley, so I don't really know. Hopefully it works. Let's turn this down, let me grip. So hopefully it'll fit right on there. I got the Craftsman in here. I still got to order that tube. I think I'm just going to go and buy one this week. And I also do got to get a battery. I got my grandmother's battery in here for now. I think that's just about it. Battery and the tube. Hopefully $50 is all I spend. I haven't spent anything else on this actually, so I can't really complain. So stay tuned. We'll see if the deck fits, and hopefully it'll work and nothing blows up. And one of the things I gotta say that is really stupid is that these spindles don't have any grease fittings, so I have no way of greasing them, which kind of sucks. So not much you could do there. Alright, stay tuned. Alright guys, got the deck on, and everything seems to move, so let's give it a try and see what blows up. Shouldn't be a choke, I just ran it. ready to sell now.